Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to bulk create 100 reels in under 2 minutes. Of course, this video is about 10 minutes long because I'm teaching you how to do it, but you can literally do this in under 2 minutes. If you're shy and introverted and you don't want to show your face online, but you do want to make an income online, a motivational page or a facts page is the way to go. The reason being is that motivational quotes are very relatable and shareable, so you can grow an audience quickly. Imagine yourself just scrolling through your social media and then you see a motivational quote. Normally you would like it and you would share it, right? It's a very quick way to grow an audience without showing your face online. If you start a motivational channel on YouTube, if you do get a certain amount of subscribers and amount of watch hours, you are going to get paid AdSense. What that is it's going to pay you for advertising on your videos. The other thing is you can put your affiliate links and you can even sell your own merchandise such as mugs, t-shirts, anything along those lines with your quotes on them. Now, the number one thing and why people fail online is consistency. So the best way to be consistent is to bulk create. So without further ado, I want to get right into it and show you guys how to do it. All right, so here's an example of a motivational page. So it's got 169,000 subscribers. Let's go into it. So here they have the moving text and also the moving background. The text disappears and then a new one appears. Okay, so here is another example of a motivational quotes page or a facts page. So let's just click into this. Now the first text box here says girl facts, and the second one here is a girl who is confident. So that is like a teaser, and then it disappears and third one pops up. That's the first text. Second text is a girl's power, and that is going to disappear, lies in her ability to love. Okay, that was really fast. So we're gonna have three text boxes. First one, second one comes up, and then the second one disappears, and the third one comes on. Go into ChatGPT. It's completely free to use, so if you don't have it, just sign up for your free account. Now you're gonna go and write in this prompt. Create a table with 100 unique entries organized by topic, including motivational quotes, psychology, insights, growth mindset strategies, science-backed explanations, brain functionality for success, and effective habit building techniques. Each entry should consist of. Now in the example provided, it is broken into three columns because we have three different text boxes. This is one, this is one. Once this part, a girl's kindness, is gone, the third text box appears, and that's why you would have three columns. You see that right there? Okay, so we're gonna go back here. And you want to be specific as you can. So here I put topic name, a broad category such as habits, growth mindset, or psychology. You can put motivational as well. Here is that column 2, you put teaser, engaging intro, a thought-provoking, attention-grabbing statement to spark curiosity. And part 3 is you reveal the fact or insight, a clear, specific explanation or actionable detail that elaborates on the teaser. So if you are doing a motivational quote, you can just break it down to 3 different sentences, right? And you also want to give ChatGPT an example as well. So here I'll put the example of the habits, how to change your habits in 30 days. This is the hook. And then this will entice one to keep watching the video. And then here's the actual facts. For this here, I'd also use ChatGPT. I also asked it to give me a fact about habits. So there you have it. Now, once that's done, you type into ChatGPT. So don't worry, I'll have this in the description box as well. So no need to copy it right now because it's pretty fast. Okay, so let's go into here and then you're going to press enter. It may take a while and sometimes it does stop at a certain point, but you tell it to keep going and don't repeat the same facts. So while that's doing its thing, once your ChatGPT is done, so here, I think it did stop at a certain amount, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna keep going. I'm going to copy and highlight everything. Copy it. Now you're gonna go to Google Sheets or Excel. You have a Gmail account, you just go into your Drive and click Google Sheets, or you can go to google.com/sheets. You're gonna click on the A here and paste everything that you copied earlier. Okay, quotes. Okay, so I'm gonna name that Dark Psychology Quotes. Now you're going to go to File and you are going to download it as a CSV. Dark Psychology quotes. So I'm going to save that. Now go into canva.com and you're going to create a design. You're going to search mobile videos. Okay, here we are. Now you want to search up a moving background so it catches the eye. So here I'm going to go into elements and I am going to search up, I'll do clouds. You can search up clouds, cinematic clouds. Let me just take a look at these ones. Let's do this. Okay, so you can make it fit, or you can click on the three dots and click on set as background. Let's just play that. Okay, so that's perfect. I'm going to shorten this clip to about 10 seconds. I don't want my videos any longer than that. Now you're going to go to the text and you're going to add a text box. So I'm going to make this bigger. You can play around with the fonts. I'm going to go with Anton. Okay, now I'm going to put, oops, in here, I'm going to put part 1. So here's part 1. I'm going to toggle it over to make sure once the words migrate, it fits in the box. So you make sure you have enough space. So I'm going to put a third down on the actual screen because that's where your eyes look. Part 1, I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste that and then I'll do part 2. Okay, and then I'll copy that. I'll do part 3. Remember the example, there were 3 parts. So let's go back to this example here and let's play this video. 1 here, 2, and then 3. This goes on top of the 2. I will go on here. Okay, so now you're going to go back onto Canva and you are going to click on 3 dots and you're going to show element timing. This will allow you to make the text either show up or leave. So here I'm going to toggle it down to 2 seconds. Click on the part 2. I'm going to do the part 2 starting at 5 seconds and I'm going to end that. And now I'm going to click on part 3 and part 3 is going to overlay on top of the part 2. So I will lower that, click on the part 3, put it over. And I will make the part 3 appear when the part 2 disappears. There you have it. And let's just give that a try. So you can toggle up here, part 1, see? Part 2, and then part 2 disappears and then part 3 will show up. You see that? Now you can be a little more fancy. What I want to do is I want to make my text pop. So I am going to add a background. I'll go to effects, go to background, scroll down, and I'm going to pick a white background. You can also animate your text. So if you want it come up as a typewriter, we're going to go like that or like that. You can do that as well, but I'm just going to keep it simple and not do anything. Okay, so now I'm going to click on part 2 and I'm going to add a background onto that as well. So it's easier to read and it also catches your viewer's eyes once it's a different color. So I will do black effects. I'll just pick black and I'll actually change the font up here, the text color, to white. And part 3, I will do background color. I will change it to, let's say, pink, and then the font I will do white. Now, what you can also do is you can change the font style as well. I'm just gonna keep it all the same. Now, you're gonna go into apps, okay, on the side of the screen here, and you're gonna type in bulk create. You wanna upload data. You're gonna upload the CSV file that you saved. You're gonna open it. And now you're going to migrate the topic name to the different 3 parts that you put here. So you're going to click on part 1, click on the 3 dots, connect the data, and click on the first one, which is the topic name. And now you're going to toggle to the bottom where the second part will appear and connect to, my son is literally right in front of me and he's just playing. Okay, here you go. Now you're going to click on part 2 and you connect the data to the teaser intro, and then part 3 you're going to do the same thing, and now you're going to press continue and you're going to generate your 55 designs. Now, the ChatGPT is a little bit wonky. Sometimes it just gives you 55, but you're gonna just type in the prompts. Please give me another 45 prompts, but here you have it. You're gonna click on the grid section here and look at that. What I personally would do is go in and check all of this manually before you do post it. Now, Canva does not offer the bulk rate with different backgrounds on it. So what you can do is download the Canva app on your phone. And since you have everything set up, it's very easy to change the background. So let's say here, you pick that and you're just gonna replace the background. And you're gonna save it to your phone before posting it. You see that? That's perfect. So that will only take you a couple seconds to replace the background, to download the file, and then to post it on your social media. Hi, my name is Tina, and I help beginners learn how to create digital products that you can sell to make passive income from home. If you found this video informative, please make sure to subscribe, follow, and also if you haven't seen my video on how to create faceless reels for free, make sure you give that a watch. I'll link it right here. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one.